Hi, I'm Susan. Today we're participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 27. And our prompts for this week is an image of the moon. I've got this, and I've even got this extra star. Something local to you. I have got the Mississippi State University. This is the Chapel of Memories. When they built this Chapel of Memories, they used the bricks from an old dormitory, but way back in, I want to say the 20s or 30s, that burned down, Old Main. And some of the bricks are even, have the scorch marks and everything. And the Reveille, this came from an alumni book magazine. And back when I was in school, I did work study for the Reveille, which was the yearbook, but I don't think they have a yearbook anymore. And I think this is the Reveille 25 Alumni Association now. But anyway, this is something that's local to me, and that's Mississippi State. Something that represents communication. I have got road signs, map or atlas page. I've got this globe. Something with spiral shapes, her curls, and the bonus is lines, and I've got this, it's got the lines. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, let me grab my glue book. There it is. I hope everybody's doing good. I am doing good. This one should be fairly easy. So we're gonna lay this down. I inked around my page. I don't think I'm gonna ink around the items this time. Let's see. I'll get it down a little bit further. There we go. Okay, now get everything kind of situated where I want it. Put my moon there towards the end. And let's see, I think I want my atlas or globe somewhere like that. I think I want this down here and have her maybe something like that. And then we can have, see, there's, put my star there, just kind of getting a feel. Route 66 there. One way, stop, and this is something they desperately need on campus. It says don't walk, because the students love to jump out in front of these. I don't know why they think those lines going across the road means it's like a magic barrier to where you won't get hit, and they'll just walk right out in front of a moving car. Yes, they have the right of way, but still, my goodness. Like that magic area where nobody will hit you. All right, got that down. Get this down. This is kind of a cardboard, so, or chip cardstock, a heavy cardstock. So not chipboard, but it's thicker than just paper. So I'm just gonna I want it, I think I want it more over here. We'll go right there. I always change my mind once I start gluing. Okay. I can use my glue stick there. This one's gonna go fast. Get my star up there. Get her. And definitely this next to the Mississippi State. And maybe even the stop. Route 66. And we'll put one way right there. All right. I will use my Stabilo All and go around her. Just to make her pop a little. And maybe these sides, at least some of them. Who am I kidding? Be all of them. Okay. All right. And last but not least, I have my splatters. All right, so we have got our image of the moon, something local to you, and this Mississippi State University for me, something that represents communication. I've got the road signs, a map or atlas page. I've got this, something with a spiral shape. I've got her curls, and the bonus is lines, and I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP27 to see what everyone else has made. So y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.